We're some Monash University biomedicine students and we've just completed an internship with Girls in Vent. So I'm Abby and I'm currently a third year biomed student at Monash.
I'm Courtney. I'm also a third year biomed student at Monash. I'm really passionate about science and sharing that with the world, so this internship worked really well to get that out there.
And I'm Lee. I study electrical engineering and biomed in my final year, and ultimately I wish to make a difference in the world through technology and science. Thank you.
When I first got accepted to do an internship, I hadn't heard of Girls in Vent before, but I did a little research, and Girls in Vent is a small company and a social enterprise that works on running product innovation and entrepreneurship workshops in schools to try and empower girls to pick STEM as a career or to believe in their own ideas to start their own businesses. And this was really explained to me, or I really understood more about Girls in Vent when I attended their pitch night, when girls that had made their own products and even done things like licensing and were looking for funding and things like apps and like gloves and to try and treat social issues were presenting to real investors that were looking to support their ideas. And there was even big partnerships with companies like Puma that invested money in the girls, which was really different because I hadn't seen a company like that before. And internship was about connecting more girls that weren't necessarily in the workshops to this program so that they could get their own ideas go off the ground.
So Girls in Vent has worked locally and around Australia with schools, but they're aiming in the next few years to become more global and reach more other young girls around the world. So our project for this internship was to create some educational videos to show girls how to make their own inventions, such as a gumball machine and a pinball machine, out of materials that they could find around their own home. Also making these videos educational by adding in some little science facts. And
So my placement at Girls in Vent, I've learned a lot of things. For example, professional skills like organisation, planning, communication, problem solving. It was a really good experience to be able to work in such like a real workplace like that. Abby, have you learned anything on this placement as well?
I think creativity was a big thing for me during this placement. It's sort of a thing that I'd never really connected with my university course in biomedicine, but yeah, it was great to think about all the aspects of things to consider in a video and how to make it engaging and reach the target audience.
Yeah, I agree. I liked how we got to kind of share what we were learning in our course in a different format with like a different audience, and it was really exciting to be actually impacting a real company and actually doing something that was meaningful to someone. That was really good.